To control the kite, first thing we have to consider is the position of the bar and the movements we should do with it. The kite bar handles like the handlebars of a bike, that is, with the bar in horizontal position parallel to the floor and hands on the same height. We can stretch or bend our elbows together or stretching one while flexing the other. So, we should not move the bar like a wheel or bending the rope that passes through the bar. To control the power of the kite, we should pull or push from the bar. If we bend our elbows pulling from the bar, the kite will generate more power, while if we stretch our elbows pushing the bar, the kite will lose power. This is because when we push the bar, the kite opens, leaving wind goes through it without offering resistance. However, if we pull the bar, we'll pull from the back lines, placing the kite perpendicular to the wind direction, offering more resistance and generating more power. Here we can see that if we move the kite through the power zone and pull the bar, we will be dragged, while if we release the bar, we will not be dragged. To move the kite left or right, we move the bar as the handlebar of a bike. If we want the kite turned left, we turn the bar to the left, bending the left elbow while stretching the right one. Keep in mind that in order to turn the kite to the left or to the right, it should not be flamming. So, we have to pull the bar enough to avoid the flamming, because when the kite is flamming, you cannot turn it. To understand and predict the movement of the kite, you must look its central strut. This is like an arrow pointing to where the kite will move. Thus, if the strut points up, the kite will move up. If it points down, the kite will go down. And if it stays parallel to the ground, the kite will remain at the same height. Keep in mind that the response of the kite cannot be instantaneous, so the kite first performs a movement of rotation about its axis and then performs a translation and motion in the direction pointing its center strut. For this reason, it is convenient to move the kite slowly, paying attention that the center strut of the kite changes its position lightly. Keep in mind that the kite has memory, so if I turn the kite to the left, it will continue going to the left until I stop it pulling the right side of the bar. On the other hand, to move the kite down slowly, we can push the bar a little, stretching both elbows until the kite starts flamming. Then it will go down, and we pull the bar again, bending both elbows until the kite stops flamming. Sometimes the kite may collapse due to excess of power, losing its lift and its ability to fly. When this happens, we will see that the kite goes backwards. So, the arrow of the center strut is reversed and instead of pointing to the leading edge of the kite, pointing towards to the trailing edge. In these cases, we push the bar stretching both elbows and wait till the kite recovers its lift and flies normally again. In summary, 1. Bar handles like the handlebar of a bike, with the bar parallel to the ground and hands on the same level, stretching or bending elbows at the same time or simultaneously. 2. To generate more power, pull the bar bending both elbows at the same time, and to lose power, push the bar stretching the elbows. 3. To turn the kite left, bend the left elbow while stretching the right one. To turn the kite to the right, bend the right elbow while stretch the left one. Remember to pull the bar enough to avoid the kite's flapping. 4. To predict the movements of the kite, look its center strut. Where it's pointing, the kite will go, considering that the answer of the kite cannot be instantaneous. 5. The kite has memory, so if you turn the kite to the left, it will continue going to the left until you stop it, pulling the right side of the bar. 6. To move the kite down, you can also push the bar until the kite starts flaming. Then it will go down, and in the desired height, you can stop it pulling the bar again. 7. When the kite is collapsed for excess of power and falls backwards, we push the bar until the kite starts flying again properly.